Well, hello there. Welcome to the latest episode of the wildly popular Gant Outdoors Fishing Show. New spot today. Haven't been here for a long time. This is a spot Eli has been telling me about as having good bass fishing. So me and Big Fish Bill are gonna burn some of Eli's water here in the only lake in Richland County. Wish us luck. Here comes Big Fish. Let's go get something. Woohoo! Out. We're gonna start casting a few of these frogs in here and see if something bites. We're still just right by the boat landing. Me and Bill are transitioning from frogs in shallow water to some plastics or something in this deeper water because we're getting nothing up shallow. Somebody's mowing the lawn. So we're changing it up. I got on my new favorite, the baby brush hog. We'll see what happens. Eli, where are all these fish you're talking about? Still searching for our first fish on the only lake in Richland County. What are we doing wrong? Well, I think I finally got a fish on the only lake in Richland County. He's running me around the boat, Bill. Oh, Jesus criminy.
About time.
It's about time is right. We have been out here for a long time. It's like our second trip around the lake. Nothing on a frog. We've had a couple little hits. God darn it. Oh well, we did not get skunked. Close to it, but we did not get skunked. Once again, on the baby brush hog. Been a big performer for me in the year 2021, Bill. Got something fighting here. I might have my second. This one's better than the first one. This one's better than the first one, Bill. And it's staying down. Okay, now he's in the weeds. No, he doesn't. He was right on that stick there. Yeah, this is a better fish. This is a better fish. I think this is a good fish, Bill. Holy crap!
Nice one.
Eli wasn't lying. Can you lip him for me? Wow!
There you go.
Wow, are you gonna take my picture with that?
Will.
Wow! Oh, well, how about that? How about that? We got one. We got a decent one on the only lake in Richland County. Let me pose for this picture and then we'll get him back in the water. Beauty, finally. It's getting kind of late in the afternoon and we've only caught like 2 fish over here in beautiful Cazenovia, Wisconsin, but we're gonna fish a little bit longer, but this might be about it. If we get something, we'll let you know. Otherwise, I'll come back here with Eli someday and he can show me where the fish are at, Bill. Yeah. All right, this is me and Big Fish saying goodbye. Out. Hey Eli,
Yes.
what happened to the SS Willie?
sold. It was traded for something better.
What do we have here? Does this have a name?
It's Sim.
Did that come with it, or did
Yes.
you put that on there?
Thank
You too. Well, Eli's already had more boats than I've had in my whole life, and he's only what? How old?
I'm 17.
17 years old. He's already had 2 boats, and he's got 3 fish finders. 2 boats, 3 fish finders, and Eli and I are gonna try to do a little fishing. What county are we in? We're in Adams County, right?
Yep.
Back in Adams County. All right, we're gonna go out here on Mason Lake and catch some fish. Eli says so. All right, let's get out there and get something done, Eli. Me and Eli have been out here for a little while now without any success. We're trying to find some of these stumps out here. Eli's throwing a jerk bait, I think. I'm switching over to a spinner bait. There's not a lot of weeds out here. We expected to see way more weeds. Oop, mine just had a little backlash. But I don't know. We're gonna keep trying. We'll probably relocate here in a little bit to the other side. See if anything's over there. We'll keep you posted. Well, after an eternity. Oh, is it? Oh, Eli's got a fish. Finally. He's gonna need a net maybe for it. What is that? That a northern? There's a big bass. There you go. And Eli just said he didn't like swim jigs. That's a good one. That's gotta be, that's a solid 16?
16, 17, yeah.
That's solid. That's a good fish. Finally, we found him. You're on him, Eli.
Let's go.
Maybe we need your picture with that. There you go. Finally. Yeah. Well, maybe we're on to a little something. We changed spots. And with the swim jig, just like Brad said. Well, this outing did not really go as expected. We are pulling the pin. Eli is putting the new boat on the trailer. We're not really sure what's going on here, but there are no weeds in Mason Lake. And usually Mason Lake is a cesspool of weeds. So we're calling it a day. We caught 1 fish. What are you gonna do, Eli? We'll try harder next time. Well, we'll see all of you later on the next thrilling episode of the GOD and Sauk's Eli Outdoors. Bye-bye. Right there. You don't know where he's going. Oh, well. It's going to be another big episode of the GOD today. We got Ryan with us. We got David in boat number 1. Me and John will be in boat number 2. And we're out here on Lake Redstone. And John is waiting for me up on the deck. He says, Willard, we're burning daylight. Let's get to work. All right, out. Yep, we'll be fishing in style this morning. Me and John will be in the Ranger today. It doesn't get much better than this. He's gonna back me into the water here, and we will be on our way. David and Ryan already out here churning the water into a froth. Anything to report yet over there? You've been out here for 8 minutes, nothing? All right, well, keep trying. We're expecting big things out of boat number 1 today. just, yeah. I hooked one on the X-Wrap pot. Nothing great. See if I can get him off of here without hooking myself. Oh well. Well, John's got us out here on one of the main lake points here. It's a big musky spot. Fishing has been slow up to this point, but we are not giving up. John says the next cast could be the fish of a lifetime. We got a fish. We got a fish, John. The brush hog comes through again. Yeah. To say we've been struggling is an understatement. We've had one of our worst days of fishing all year out here on Redstone. John on a fish. We have yet to catch anything decent. Well, today that's decent. 12-inch bass today has been something to write home about. What do you got there, Dave?
I got one decent one.
Look at you.
Big fish of the day.
By far.
18 inches, wow.
Take a long time.
Going on
Good
3
job,
hours.
David. I was just saying, God, it looks good in there. John's got a largemouth. Would you say that's the big fish of the day?
Kind of like that other.
Yeah, it's kind of like that other one. Not anything to write home about. Oh, I don't know. He's in the lock. Oh God, am I gonna lose him? Am I gonna get him? I don't know either. Oh, I guess he's not as big as I thought. We're almost done fishing, and it's the end of a trying day. My last almost cast of the day. The brush hog. Yeah, now we got to stay out fishing. Oh, heck. Well, it's been a rough day, but I guess that's a good way to end it, John.
Oh, we're done?
Well, we'll have to see.
We could be done. I'm done.
We'll have to see that this could be the last transmission. I don't know, if we get something else, I'll let you know, but it's been a tough day on Redstone, but we did the best we could. I don't even know if this will make a show, but we'll see. But that ends a long drought for me, so I guess we'll see you whenever we get back out here. And thanks for watching this wonderful edition of the G.O.D. That's a nice outfit you're wearing today, John. Nice. Out.
That wife of mine, the suspicious kind, she says that I'm quite a flirter. But I've been a good boy all of the time, and I wouldn't do nothing to hurt her. She'll tan my hide for spending the night with Betty Lou or Alice. But I'm sleeping alone in this wreck I own. I broke down south of Dallas.
We're trolling here. We're trolling, and I got a bite, and I got a walleye.
A walleye.
I got a walleye. I got a walleye. I got a walleye. I got a walleye. Trolling on Lee Lake and I got a walleye. How about that? This is, yay, all right. We've kind of just, we don't even know what we're doing, but as a last ditch thing, we decided to do some trolling. And no, it's not huge, but there are walleye here in Lee Lake in beautiful Cazenovia, Wisconsin. And they say there's some nice ones in here, so I'll be darned.